Phase Change Unit, Lesson 1.6, Modeling the Molecular Scale. Activity 2, Creating a Freedom of Movement Dance. Let's review the freedom of movement of particles in each phase. Which phase do you think each diagram represents? Explain your reasoning. The molecular scale freedom of movement can move in place, can move around each other, or can move apart. The evidence and models have shown that molecules do not disappear or change size. They stay the same but move differently. Next, you will work in pairs to plan dances that represent molecules of substances in different phases. When you finish planning, you will present your dances to another pair who will try to guess which phase each dance represents. You'll plan 3 dances or movements, one for each of the 3 phases. You'll then take turns representing your dances. When pair A presents, pair B will guess which phase each dance represents. Then you'll switch roles, so pair B presents while pair A observes. Students, plan your dances. After 5 minutes, join with another pair and take turns sharing and guessing which phase each dance represents. The revised key concepts provide descriptions similar to the ones you worked with while creating your dances. We've learned about these concepts over the course of Chapter 1. A solid keeps its shape because its molecules only move in place, not around each other. A gas does not have a visible shape because its molecules can move away from each other. A liquid can flow because its molecules move around, not away from each other. Key concept 4. A phase change is when the molecules that make up a substance experience a change to their freedom of movement. This phase change involves a macroscale change in appearance. Key concept 5. Scale. A change that can be observed at the macro scale can be explained by a change at the molecular scale, which cannot be observed with the naked eye. All these concepts will now be available to reference on the classroom wall for the rest of the unit. In this lesson, you will apply these concepts to determine what likely happened to the lake on Titan. End of activity.